matter is going on. It is listed on some other day now, maybe 9th of July it will come up. Today the matter was argued, actually it started yesterday and it is going on today also it went on. The only one issue that the court, what you are asking is said that what is the role of victim's family in all this justice delivery system. The Supreme Court has also time and again now saying that the victim's family or a victim should have some role and have some say in all these kind of matters. So therefore the court was asking us, prosecution, as to whether there is any provision or whether there is any rule or any guidelines in terms of these suggestions which are required in terms of victims side of the case. So we have said that we will try and suggest the government may consider this. As of now, in rules there are some provisions of victim, some safety is there for victims' family also, but the court is on a different line. It is asking about the mental status of the victim, the psychological aspects that the victim's family is undergoing, and to vent those kind of things, what should be the role of the government in providing that access to the victim's family or victim in certain cases. So that is the discussion, but the matter is not yet over, the decision is not yet out. So therefore it would be very early to say that court has said something. Court has just, in the course of argument, it came up and the inquiry was made, we responded. Let us see what court says about it, and then we can decide.